Hey guys, Jared here again, aka the Laughing Man. So today we're going to be working on my new toy hauler project with my girls. So what we're going to try to get done today is I want to move this toolbox out to the tongue, swap that over here. We're going to stain this, remove all these little tie downs. We've also got some E-track tie downs that we'll be putting, some 5-inch or 5-foot pieces, as well as some smaller ones. So we'll get those on there. And we've got to do the front jack here on the tongue. So this one is broken, so we'll go ahead and take this one off and throw a electric from Harbor Freight on here. And then, oh geez, also have a battery that'll go in here. They'll hopefully be charged as whenever it's plugged in. And then all the wiring has to be redone because, as you can tell, it's kind of a mess right now. But looks like we're going to go ahead and get started on removing these tie downs. Alright guys, so we went ahead and took off the toolbox and the spare tire for now. So we're going to go ahead and stain it with some Rust-Oleum. This is stain plus polyurethane. So it's supposed to dry pretty quickly. It's supposed to be about an hour from the time that you apply it to the time that it's done. So now that my kids are enjoying themselves on the trailer. So we're going to go ahead and, like I said, it's this dark Kona. So hopefully it'll look good and keep with the dark theme of the trailer. So, alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this has its first coat on. We'll probably just leave it with one coat for right now. It's just kind of drying up. It actually dried pretty quickly. This is my first time using the Rust-Oleum. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and move the toolbox to the front side here, move the spare tire to the back side. That way, any car you got getting pushed on here, it's got a little bit of cushion instead of running into a toolbox. But next, we're probably going to do the electric jacks, so stay tuned for that video. Then after that, we'll probably put on E-tracks just to get those bolted on. But alright guys, thanks again for watching, and I hope you liked this video. I hope you follow the rest of these videos just to see some of the stuff that we're going to do to this. I guess I should say that this trailer's base was actually an old motorhome, or not a motorhome, but an old fifth wheel. So it's getting new life as a car hauler. So the only things that I don't have for it that we're going to be putting on it right away is going to be, we're going to be doing ramps, pull-out ramps, and the winch. So my in-laws actually have a winch for me. I was going to buy a Badlands from Harbor Freight, but since my in-laws have one, we're just going to go ahead and use theirs. But we're hoping to have this up and running and ready to go within the next week or so that we can get this down to, or up to Washington, I should say. Grab the rest of our stuff out of the storage up there and grab my Datsun so I can start doing videos on the Datsun again.